Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new, welcome to Tarot Tales 369. If you're liking the videos, please share, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for further notifications. This is a general timeless reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. But if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Meanwhile, if you have any queries regarding to this reading, so you can always comment down. So I have already pulled three cards for the collective energy today. So let's see what's going on here. And I must say, what amazing cards are here. What I'm seeing here is many of you are standing on that crossroad and you have to make a choice. So you have given here two choices. And where would you like to go? One is like for your heart, and another one is like your financial stability. On one hand you have the desires, and on another hand you have the duties, and the center of this reading is this temperance card, and that's the whole essence of this reading, that is balance, harmony, alignment. The whole point of this reading is balancing your ambitions with relationships. And with this temperance card here, you can do it very easily because you have the divine guidance here. You are being backed by your guides and angels at this point. So if you're going through any such situations, I think this is the best time to choose, and the choice you will make now will have a long term impact in your life. There is a decision where you have to choose between financial stability and love, and you have to give equal preference to both. you know Try to balance your emotional desires and material pursuits, align them both well. It could also be a choice between your profitable job opportunity, your professional job, or following your that hobby of your passion. So anything you decide now should be based on your values and beliefs, and also whatever you decide should not be biased. You should not lean towards one side. You should maintain both the things equally. And that is why the temperance card is here to remind you to have patience, have temperance, don't rush things, and just equally balance your emotional and practical aspects. Take the middle path, and don't be biased, and avoid extremes. Do things in moderation, and also be a little diplomatic, and uh, keeping patience will lead you to a long journey here. For few, I think few of you are already possessing that energy. You're always already in that state where you can manifest both your emotional and your practical aspects, both your ambitions and relations beautifully. But for others who are here to make a choice, so you have to balance both the things equally. It could also be a test of to choose between the love of your life and that career path of yours, for that financial stability. So whatever the dilemma you are in, you have to alchemize all the things, everything's well here. you know you have to integrate your ideas and your relationships and your habits, so in order to make them stay here for a long term. It could also be at your workplace, or you're on your career path, that you are stepping up to take more responsibilities. So you have to lead that with wisdom and compassion. That's also a message here. Also in spirituality, if anyone is going through that, So you have to have that inner, alignment with yourself, that deep emotional and grounding you need. Your soul should have that maturity and balance, it could be like you are on your spiritual journey, and you have these relationships, and you have this work to do, your duties to perform, and you are making those choices, like they are making you worry to like how to deal with your day to day you know things, and go on in life. So that's one challenge could also be there for you. Although since the temperance card is here, and I think that's this is the best time to how it is shown there. See how he's mixing and blending two opposite things together very finely. So that's how you need to blend your all the aspects, your love, your finances, and your inner soul purpose. So as I said, this is a divine, you're working under divine timing and guidance, so this is the best time you work on it wholeheartedly. So be passionate but practical at the same time. That's it for this, guys. Thank you and namaste.